In this video, I want to share with you a cryptocurrency coin that could do 10x, 20x, 50x, maybe even 100x this year. It could also go to zero, so this is not financial advice, but I want to share this with you regardless. So, what is important to note is that now, February 10th, as I'm recording this, is the start of the Chinese New Year. That means we have entered the year of the wood dragon. Now, this dragon, in Chinese culture, the dragon holds a significant place as an auspicious and extraordinary creature, unparalleled in talent and excellence. It symbolizes power, nobility, honor, luck, and success. 2024 is forecasted to bring about opportunities, changes, and challenges. If you are seeking a shift in your current lives, this year might offer a favorable chance. What is also interesting to note is we are in the year 2024. If you add up 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4, that equals 8. That means this is an 8 year. The number 8 represents money in the Chinese culture. So we are both in an 8 year and a dragon year, and that could set us up for massive upside in markets, and it is a great year for financial opportunities. As you're seeing, Bitcoin is currently trading above $47,000 once again. We have the stock markets indices hitting new all-time highs, records. We have the S&P 500 that just closed above 5,000 points for the first time in history ever yesterday. So you could say that is maybe closing in on euphoria, sure, but that is what this year is about, in my opinion. Massive financial opportunity to the upside, and then maybe a peak and to the downside too. Remember, you can make money to the downside too if you play your cards right. That means you want to try and identify the trends, ride them up as much as possible, get out, cash out, realize your gains, and then if you want, you can trade or position yourself to the short side where you can also profit from whatever drop may come, whenever that may come. Okay, so the point here is Year of the Dragon. We are in a bull market in crypto, in stocks. The horoscope aligns for favorable opportunities. Okay, whether you believe in that or not doesn't really matter too much. That's beyond the point of this. I'm just sharing this with you here because now we are in the year of the dragon, and that leads me to sharing this coin with you today. Now, back in November of 2023, I put together a coin report with 10 low-cap gems, and in this report, this was for my VIP members only, by the way, so if you want to join, the link is in the description down below, then you can get access to the whole report. But in this report, what I did is I looked for 10 low market cap coins, and I did a write-up about each specific coin. Now, the coin that I want to share with you today is one of those coins from that report. So, obviously, yes, I have some. There's other people watching this that already have some. So, just for full transparency, whether it goes to zero or whether it does 100x, only time will tell. But let me share with you what the specific coin is. The coin is called TSUKA, or TSUKA, okay? So TSUKA is the ticker symbol, you can see it over here, and it is currently trading at 0.02778. Now, why specifically this coin? Well, number one, yes, it is a meme coin. Number two, it has still a very low market cap, as you can see here, $27.8 million, that's the entire market cap. But number three, this coin is all about the dragon. And as I just explained, this year, we have just entered the year of the dragon. So, my thought process here is also with this Chinese New Year of the Dragon, a bull market in crypto, a meme coin, low market cap. What if this coin gets bid up like crazy during the cycle as it goes higher and higher and altcoins and meme coins start to pump? Okay, obviously, again, only time will tell. I don't know, maybe it goes to zero, but I wanted to share this with you anyway. So, what is TSUKA? Well, you can go to the website over here. I will link to it down in the description, digitarutsuka.io, and you can see over here, you can go into detail about what it really is. And you can see it's just all a meme coin, but there's a Japanese lore behind it, and it's actually very cool. There's a YouTube video here who explains how it came about, and there's more information here if you want to go and dive into this specifically. So in my report that I wrote in November, this was one of the coins, and you can see over here, it's got all the information in the report over here, the website where you get it on CoinGecko, Twitter, Medium, blog. And this was at the time of writing, it was at 23 cents back in November. It's currently a little bit higher, but it's still pretty similar. The market cap is still very similar. So, as per my write-up, you can see over here, what have I said? What is TSUKA? TSUKA is a meme coin. The idea is allegedly to build a decentralized currency, a coin for the people. It was built by someone who goes by the name of Ryoshi. and you can go and watch that YouTube video through the link down below on the official website. But there isn't really much to say about this coin in terms of fundamentals. It's a meme, and there's some story behind it, but personally I doubt that it will survive long term and maintain any value. However, that doesn't mean it can't see a big pump in this bull market cycle, and as we know, in bull market conditions when there is full-blown euphoria, fundamentals don't matter much. What matters is the meme, the community, the hype, the fact that it's a relatively low market cap coin that has potential to pump without needing billions of dollars in capital to flow into that. In fact, probably far less than that. Probably $1 million would really pump this coin already. So, as I mentioned before, my strategy with altcoins is to make money. Okay, I'm not getting attached to coins, projects, or narratives. I simply want to buy low, remove my initial at a 2x, and ride any future pump as high as possible before cashing out completely. Now, the TSUKA token details. It is an ERC20 token, meaning it's based on the Ethereum blockchain. There are 1 billion tokens in circulation, which is the maximum that there will be. And you can see over here, the tokenomics. It had a fair launch. There was no pre-sale, 100% community and retail owned, no tax in buying or selling, no dev or marketing wallets, 1 billion supply that are all in circulation, a renounced contract, and liquidity is locked forever. So, if you're wondering where can you buy TSUKA tokens, well, they can be purchased on a number of exchanges and also on a DEX. In my opinion, the easiest place to buy it is just on an exchange called BYBIT. I will add the link down below so you can sign up there if you don't yet have an account. You can go and buy it there, but you can also get it on Uniswap. So if you go to the CoinGecko tab, whenever you want to know where a coin trades, we can simply go to the specific coin, TSUKA, we click on the Markets tab, and you can see over here everywhere where it trades. So it's on Uniswap, decentralized, that you can just buy with MetaMask or your Trust wallet. BitGet, centralized exchange, of course, but very easy to get it. Again, the link will be down below if you want to sign up there. You can buy it very easily, but also on a few other exchanges like MEXC and Gate.io. What we have here is the weekly chart of TSUKA against USDT. What is interesting to note here, as you can see, is this double top over here that tends to be a target for the next move up to take out that liquidity. So over here, almost 16 cents. That is more than a 5x at this point in time from current levels. And you can see from this last move over here, this move to the upside, we had this pullback to the Fibonacci golden pocket, slightly below it, but we got that bounce afterwards. So what I'm looking for hopefully here is continuation, and then if this bull market really goes nuts and continues higher, time will tell, but if Bitcoin continues going higher and everything goes higher, we are looking at here potentially just over a 5x to those previous highs. But I'm really hoping that once it gets there and goes beyond, that it really, once it's in price discovery, that it can go a lot higher. And, you know, who knows how high these coins can go if it really takes off, you know, 10x, 20x, 30x, 50x, who knows? Again, could also go to zero, so it's not financial advice. But in my opinion, this chart looks good. In my opinion, I think there's a decent chance that we actually hit at least this double top once again if the bull market cycle continues. So that is really what there is to a coin. I don't believe so much in fundamentals of any altcoins at this point in time. It is all about the bull market liquidity. As long as Bitcoin keeps going higher, as long as there is an overall bull market in crypto, that money is going to flow from Bitcoin into Ethereum, into altcoins, eventually into meme coins. That is what matters. And what matters is that you get in low before this pump continues, before the bull cycle continues higher, and as things go crazy and as meme coins go nuts, and if you're in the specific coin, obviously at your own risk, as it continues higher, then it's going to be up to you to take some profits and at some point get out completely, because it is almost guaranteed that at some point this is all going to come way back down and maybe even go to zero on a long enough time frame. And that doesn't just apply to TSUKA, that applies to pretty much the majority, probably 99.9% of altcoins are going to come all the way back down after this bull cycle in the next bear market. Okay, so that means in the short term, for the next weeks, months, I don't know how long it's going to go, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, that time when things pump like crazy, that's when the money's to be made. But don't confuse the prices going up for something just being fundamentally a good investment for the long term. In my opinion, altcoins, you should just play the cycle. Okay, buy low, ride it up as high as possible, cash out, and then you can look for new opportunities, or you can start trading, or you can short the market. The same thing here applies to TSUKA. Okay, so like I said, I don't believe in the long-term success of most altcoins. TSUKA also falls into that category. However, the purpose of this report, and obviously this video that I'm making now, is to share with you the research on the low market cap coins that I believe have potential for large upside in the next bull cycle. And I think TSUKA could be one of those because of the dragon-related community, the fact that it's been here for a while, the Chinese New Year of the dragon, the bull market that is here. The low market cap is currently sub $30 million. So, again, not financial advice. Feel free to look into this, do your own research, check it out down below. I will leave the links. You can buy it on BitGet. I will also link to the official website. Let me know what you think in the website. Do you think this is a coin that's going to pump or not? I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this update. And if you want access to this full report, there's another 9 coins in there that I'm not going to make a video about publicly. So if you want access to this report and the write-up and the 9 coins, come and join inside VIP. I will add the link down below also. Currently until February 17th, there's a $1,000 discount on the membership fee. It is really worth signing up. Come and sign up, get access to the report, all my training, the Discord group, and there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, you can still get a refund, and I hold nothing back, right? You can sign up, get the report, and then if you want, you're not happy, you can still get a refund. Okay, so come and sign up. The opportunity, in my opinion, now is here for the upside. The longer you wait, the less opportunity there is. The higher the prices go, the harder it becomes to be able to make profits in the crypto markets. The higher the prices go, the higher your risk becomes that you buy the top and face significant drawdowns when you're buying with spot. That is why, as prices go higher and higher and higher, you want to look to be cashing out of your investments and then potentially adopt a trading mindset where we can short the markets or go with whatever direction there is based on proven setups and risk management, etc., all of which I cover inside VIP. So come and join us on the inside. Make sure to click that button below, and I will see you in the next video.